5 free Google certifications that lead to high-paying jobs. Here's something most people don't pay attention to. Google is giving certifications for free that Fortune 500 companies are actually hiring for right now. I'm talking 40,000 to 70,000 plus euros salaries, remote work options, and you can finish these certifications in 4 to 8 weeks if you give full dedication. No degree required. I got my first job in Germany without having prior experience and just with one of these certifications that I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to show you the exact 5 certifications, which one to start with based on your situation, and the biggest mistake people make that keeps them from getting hired even after finishing these courses. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, I'm Sirat, and in this channel I share real career advice for breaking into tech and building the life you actually want. I work in IT in Germany and I have seen firsthand what gets people hired and what doesn't. Today I'm talking about free certification that helped me get a job in Germany. So I'm talking about certifications that will actually lead to job offers in 2026. Before we continue, I should say that these aren't just random courses. These are the certifications that my company is actually looking for employees to hire. I have analyzed hundreds of job listings, talked to recruiters, and looked at what's actually in demand. These 5 certifications keep showing up again and again. And stick around until the end because I'm going to give you a 3-step action plan that turns these certifications into actual job interviews. And a bonus that I'm looking for first level and second level IT support technicians. More details in a few minutes. Google IT Support Professional Certificate. With only this certificate, I have found my first job here in Germany. If you are someone who likes solving problems and helping people, this one is gold. Why this matters? Every company needs IT support. It's the entry point into tech. Help desk, technical support, system administration, many more. These roles are always hiring because companies can't function without them or IT. What you will learn: troubleshooting, networking basics, operating system, Windows and Linux, a little bit Mac as well, security fundamentals, and customer service and tech environments. You will learn how to actually fix things, not just theory, but kind of practice as well. Time commitment, it needs 3 to 6 months. Self-paced, I finished it just in 3 months, of course, with full dedication. Jobs this open: IT support specialist, help desk technician, desktop support, junior system administrator. Salary range, starting positions $35,000 to $50,000 in the US, 22 to 32,000 pounds in the UK, and 30 to 55,000 euros in Europe. Within 1 to 2 years, you can move into specialist roles paying 55 to 75,000 plus. The advantage: this is your foot in the door to tech. From here, you can specialize into cybersecurity, cloud computing, or network engineering, all much higher paying fields. Oh, and before we continue, I have created a completely free detailed PDF roadmap that breaks down everything we are covering today, plus bonus resources, daily study schedules, and a complete checklist to track your progress. It's 100% free. Just click the link in the description or subscribe to my weekly tech newsletter. I created this because I wish someone had given me a clear roadmap when I started. Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Let's start with the most versatile one, Google Data Analytics Certificate. Why this matters: every single company, from startups to banks to hospitals, needs people who can look at data and tell them what it means. Should we launch this project? Why are customers leaving? Which marketing campaign actually worked? That's what data analysts do, and companies are desperate for them. What you will learn: SQL, Excel, Tableau, R programming, and how to clean messy data and create dashboards that actually help businesses make decisions. Time commitment: it takes about 6 months if you study 10 hours a week, but you can speed through it in 6 to 8 weeks if you aren't focused. I completed it in around 4 months only. Jobs this open: data analyst, business analyst, marketing analyst, operations analyst. Salary range: entry-level positions starting at $45,000 to $65,000 in the US, 28 to 42,000 pounds in the UK, and 40 to 60,000 euros in Europe. Within 2 to 3 years experience, you are looking at 70 to 100,000 plus. Here's the key: don't just finish the course, build one portfolio project with real data, analyze something you care about, coffee shop locations, video game sales trends, climate data, show the analysis on your CV and LinkedIn. That's what gets you the interview. If this resonated to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me with the algorithms. Google digital marketing and e-commerce. This one is perfect if you are creative, like experimenting and want flexibility. Lots of these jobs are remote as well. Why this matters? Businesses need customers. Digital marketing is how they get them. SEO, social media ads, email campaigns, Google ads, these skills directly make companies money, which means they will pay you well for people who know how to do this. What you will learn: how to run ad campaigns on Google and social media, measure what's working, build e-commerce strategies, email marketing and analytics. Hands-on stuff, not just theory. Time commitment, again, 3 to 6 months. Jobs this open: digital marketing coordinator, social media manager, SEO specialist, e-commerce specialist, content strategist. Salary range: entry level $38,000 to $55,000. Experienced marketers with proven results $60,000 to $90,000 plus. If you go freelance or agency side with strong clients, even more. Pro tip: while you are learning, run a small project. Help a local business with their Google business profile. Run a test ad campaign with $50 or euros, or optimize a friend's Shopify store. Real results beat theory every single time in interviews. So now comment below, what certification are you starting in 2026? I read every comment and I will reply with advice if you're stuck choosing. Google Project Management Professional Certificate. This is the Get Promoted certificate. If you want to lead teams and projects, this is your path. Why does matter? Companies have projects, launching products, improving processes, coordinating teams. Project managers make sure things actually get done on time and on budget. It's high demand, well paid, and you don't need a technical background. What you will learn: Agile and Scrum methodologies, how to plan and execute projects, risk management, stakeholder communication, and tools like Asana, Jira, and Google Sheets for project tracking. Time commitment: 3 to 6 months, probably close to 5 to 6 months because it's a bit heavy course. Jobs this open: project coordinator, junior project manager, Scrum master, operations coordinator. Salary range: entry level $50,000 to $70,000. Experienced project managers $80,000 to $130,000. Senior and technical project managers can earn even more. Why this works? Every industry needs project managers: tech, healthcare, construction, finance, marketing agencies. It's incredibly transferable. Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Last one, and this is the highest paying on the list for entry-level roles. Why this matters? Cyber attacks are increasing every single year, especially in the age of AI. Companies are legally required to protect customer data, and they will pay top dollar for people who can help them do it. Cybersecurity has a massive skills gap. There are way more jobs than people to fill them. What you will learn: network security, Linux command line, threat detection, incident response, Python for security automation, and how to actually protect systems from attacks. Time commitment about 6 months. Jobs this open: cybersecurity analyst, security operations center, SOC analyst, information security analyst. Salary range: entry level $55,000 to $75,000, mid level $80,000 to $120,000, and senior roles easily hit over $130,000. The reality check: this one's more technical than others. If you never touched code or command lines, expect a steeper learning curve, but the payoff is worth it. If any of the information in this video helped you so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That helps me a lot. The biggest mistake. Here's what I see all the time. People finish one of these projects, add it to their LinkedIn, and then nothing. They wonder why they are not getting interviews or offers. Here is the truth. The certificate alone is not enough. Recruiters see hundreds of people with the same certificate. What separates you is showing you can apply what you learned. That means one practical project per certificate: data analytics, build a dashboard, IT support, document how you set up a home lab or troubleshoot a real problem, digital marketing, show a campaign you run, even if it was 20 euros on Facebook ads for a friend or a business. Your CV needs outcomes, not just certificates. Increased website traffic by 40% using SEO strategies from Google Digital Marketing course beats completed Google Digital Marketing certificate. Network and apply strategically. Don't just hit easy apply on LinkedIn 100 times. Find 10 to 15 companies you actually want to work for. Research them, tailor your application, and reach out to people who actually work there. That is how you turn a free certificate into a real job. Which one you should start with, and what about getting it free? Quick decision guide. Firstly, you like numbers and solving puzzles, start with data analytics. You like helping people and fixing things, start with IT support. You are creative and like experimenting, start with digital marketing. You are organized and like leading, start with project management. You want the highest starting salary and don't mind technical depth, start with cybersecurity. Pick one, finish it, build one project. Apply to 20 jobs, then move to the next if you want to stack skills. How to get them free? Coursera offers financial aid. You can audit it without the certificate or apply to financial aid. 90% of the people that I have recommended them to apply to financial aid won the scholarship and the financial aid. I wish you best of luck with that one as well. Here's your action plan for this week. Remember that free PDF guideline that I talked about in the beginning? Download it now. Number 1, choose your certificate and field today. Enroll and finish the first module this week. This can be done free as well. Number 2, plan your portfolio project. What will you build to prove you can use these skills? Number 3, update your LinkedIn profile. Add the skills you're learning and start connecting with people in that field. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I post real career advice every week for people building tech careers, and drop a comment telling me which certificate are you starting with. I read every single one and provide my advice when required. Let's turn 2026 into your breakthrough year. See you in the next video. Good luck.